The most common struggle when it comes to drop shipping is ads. Most people really struggle to understand Facebook ads, Snapchat ads, TikTok ads. And recently, over the last couple of months, I've been focusing in on something that really has changed my opinion on ads. And that main thing being is that you can spend $0 and make just as an effective store, paying tens of thousands of dollars every single day, testing and running different ad sets. Which the fact that this is true and is an opportunity that literally every single person can do, like there's no reason why you should not be drop shipping right now. So today I'm going to show you exactly how you can find a product, be able to market it completely for free, and be able to achieve your first $10,000 day pretty simply. It's really not that difficult once you kind of step back and take a look at it. But I do have a great example in this video and to show you exactly why this person is succeeding and how they're doing it correctly. All right, guys, so right now you will see my screen, and this right now is basically the product research method that you could go ahead and do. So basically what you're going to do is at the top of TikTok, you're going to go ahead and search up Amazon must-haves. You could even search up something along the lines of like must-haves. Like something like this would work just as effectively and well. Now, what you're going to do once you have this is you're going to use the little filter setting in the top right. And once you go ahead and click on that, the number one thing I highly recommend is go to more right here, and you want to select videos posted within the last 3 months so that this is showing you relevant content that's going viral right now. And you can also filter in between sorting by relevance and most liked. You can kind of just switch between them and see if that increases some new products you might find. But I do recommend products within the last 3 months. Even if it's within the last month is even better if you can find something, because the less competition you have now, the better, because that opens up such a big market for you. So really, once you're here, you're just going to scroll down and take a look at all these videos and just keep going through them. And the number one thing I highly recommend, like let's say this video right here with the kiwi, what you're going to do is click on the comment section, because the comment sections actually give you such an idea of how the people that are viewing this content react to it. And so if people are saying like, where can I find this? This looks so cool. That is something that you want to hop on immediately, especially if it's people saying, where can I find this? If you see a ton of people saying, where can I get this? Then you're in for a really good time. But right now, like for this example, it doesn't really look like there's that many comments regarding like, where can I find this? That's the general product research method that you can do. It's the most effective one I recommend doing for organic TikTok drop shipping, and it's pretty simple. Now, basically right here, we have ourselves a store right now on TikTok that I came across the other day. Another alternative you guys could do is if you actually have a like separate TikTok account, I recommend you make a separate TikTok account and just engage with products in the Amazon must-have section. You'll start getting it on your FYP page, and then also TikTok will start servicing you a ton of similar stuff like product related TikToks, and just see ones that go viral could work. So right here we found one. This is a company called Everlock. This is clearly a drop shipping store right here, and we're gonna kind of break it down right here. So kind of first thing off the bat, their actual bio and all that, like everlock.com. I personally, I like this. Though I will say I've been following this account for the last few days, just kind of watching it, see what they're doing. And on TikTok, you actually cannot add a link into your bio until you have achieved 1,000 followers on the account you want it in your bio. So this person just got access to have this right here. Now I will say, if you guys can't put your link in your bio, which sometimes is understandable, doing something like this, putting this at the top, free US shipping and buy here, is the best thing you can do. Now, before this, they actually had buy it or link in my Instagram, and you can actually attach your Instagram account to your company Instagram to your TikTok account. That's what they did, and I highly recommend it. Actually, right here is their company Instagram, and something that they're also doing that I want to do a little +1 is they're actually re-uploading all their TikTok content right here onto Instagram Reels. And I just wanted to say that some of their Instagram Reels content actually has been going viral, not like relatively viral, like 500 likes, 1,000 likes. And it's Instagram. You get the link in the description immediately. So that's another opportunity. It's potential free conversions right there. But this TikTok account was initially pushing to their Instagram to get to the link. Now they have the link in their actual TikTok page. But what is the actual content and what are they selling? So right here, let me pull up their video that I came across that I thought was great. I will say this account like spam uploads, which I'm not the biggest fan. I'm really about quality over quantity. They're really just going for a crazy quantity amount of uploads right here and just hoping that one hits the algorithm. Basically, every single video they upload is pretty much identical. I mean, you guys are seeing all the thumbnails right here. They're pretty much the same thing every time they upload them. But right here, this video actually ended up hitting 1.3 million views. It's basically a very simple It's like, Mom, why are you always in your room? And then it shows them showcasing off the product, which is like a door handle that has a fingerprint lock ID on it. And it's just really shareable. And you guys are going to notice in the comments right here, like, does it work on any door? Where can I get them? You have a lot of people saying, I want this. Now, if this was me, I'm not going to compete with this product because I'm using it as an example. But this product right here, I see a video with 1 million views. It's very, very simple marketing. This is nothing crazy. It's literally got to put this on a door. You could go ahead and, you know, do something similar to this product right here. Everyone wants one in the comment section. So, you know, you already know there's a demand for this product. And they basically just kept running the same ads. They did another one like the next week that got 600,000 views. They have another one recently that got like 60,000, but not a lot of their videos are popping off recently. I would just recommend really, really quality uploads. I'm not the biggest fan of this crazy quantity push of uploads right here. I would add some more variety to the actual content, but basically what they're doing is they're getting just a ton of views on TikTok, getting people interested, and then pushing them to their site right here. Now, if we go ahead and take a look at their site right here, this is their website. This is the landing page. I will say that obviously this is desktop version. On mobile, this looks a lot better and a lot optimized. With TikTok organic, 99.9% of your traffic is going to be mobile. That is just 100% facts. Desktop, you should not even optimize for. I mean, you can if you want to, and I always recommend it, but your number one priority should be mobile and mobile conversions here. So this looks really good on mobile. That's why like this blank space right here on mobile is not there and all that. But yeah, they have some good photos. The only thing I noticed with this website, and if you're the owner of this, I would change this. Their landing page photo right here is the same like door setup from the TikToks, and it might just make people kind of like, oh wait, they own this website. Because usually with TikTok, people are a lot more comfortable if it's a consumer posting a product versus the actual company. But besides that right here, I mean, it's very simple kind of stuff. Now, you're going to notice that they are actually selling this for $85 here. They're running like, I think a 40% sale on it. I went ahead and tried to find the most comparable thing on AliExpress. I don't recommend AliExpress at all. I just wanted to find something general for this video. But it looks like you could go ahead and drop this for about $52. Shipping would also be about $4 right there. So we're looking at $56 a unit right here. And on top of that, it's looking at like about a month, little bit less than a month shipping time right here, which is not bad. Obviously, I prefer using other alternatives like CJ and whatnot, but for the sake of this video, you can go ahead and look at the reviews on this one. But yeah, pretty much every single unit, they're making about $30 to $40. Now, me personally, I'm actually not the biggest fan of these higher priced TikToks because $85 to most people on TikTok, especially like the most teenagers, that's a big chunk of change usually. I mean, you have to kind of think in retrospective, like it's something really, really cool. I don't know how impulsive of a purchase this is though for teenagers. It's something really, really sick, but $85 is quite a lot of money because like, you know, a lot of them might be working for like $11 an hour. I mean, that's nearly like a full day's of work to be able just to purchase this. I like sticking around between the $20 and like max $50 mark on my organic TikTok stores. So I do believe that their conversions on this website are probably a little bit underwhelming, but regardless, I do know that with everything they are doing, I guarantee that they are making sales on this store. I mean, they've got definitely over at least 2 million views. And again, with a pretty underwhelming conversion rate because of the price point, I feel like they probably did get a lot of site views. The actual conversion, I mean, it would be pretty underwhelming. I'd be very curious to see the actual stats on this store. But overall, like this is just the general basis of organic TikTok drop shipping. And this is probably the most simple example I could find out. I do, again, really recommend that you, take on Instagram Reels. You also do TikTok. You build those brands because that's free traffic you can get to your site completely free. You're not spending a single dollar in marketing. And if you guys are wondering, I think making your own content is most important with this. So like this fingerprint door lock, you guys could go ahead and get on Amazon, spend $50 or whatever to get one of these shipped to you. Go ahead and build content around it. I wouldn't recommend waiting like a month to go ahead and get AliExpress or wherever you're drop shipping from to send it to you because there's a chance, you want to, timing is everything with these and you don't want to miss that wave. So I'd recommend just buying it on Amazon for the premium, get it delivered in a couple days, and then go ahead and build your site, fill a ton of content with it, and you'll have some pretty massive success with organic TikTok drop shipping. So yeah, guys, I mean, that is probably the most simple way I could explain organic TikTok drop shipping. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on it. I absolutely love it. I think it's a great business model and strategy. And I mean, the amount of money that could be made in it is ridiculous because the thing is, if you get a viral video, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 million views, you could all of a sudden start seeing $10,000 on your Shopify dropshipping store. And that's why I say the number one component on these stores is actual content, which is why I highly recommend order the product yourself and film a ton of content. Look at what people do correctly. That's super important. And if you guys want to see an in-depth video of me diving into the exact specifics of what makes a TikTok video go viral, because at this point I've got it pretty nailed down to a system that I know when I'm filmed with a product, or even just want to create fun general content for a personal brand niche or whatever, I know how to create viral content on TikTok, which then in return can convert into sales and whatnot. But guys, I just want to say thank you all so much for watching this video. I'm really excited to explore more and give you guys some more information on organic TikTok. I really do enjoy it. It's been like a fun little splash of something new in the dropshipping community, and I absolutely love it. But guys, I just want to say thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video, and until then, bye bye.